The Thousand Suns erected a warp beacon on Demerium. It is calling every warp fiend in the Immaterium to join the fight. The enemy seek to capture Project Aurora. Sever the heretics portal and cut them off from reinforcement. Your success will decide whether this is a war of days or months. See it done.
Vanquish the heretical curse, desecrated our dead. Heretic soldiers spotted. Bastard son of madness. Eliminate them, Sandhorse, Spearman brothers! My wrath dictates your step! That's all you got for suckling at a demon's teeth. Oh my eye! Magazine in. Jump back, giving them a shrapnel cover. Replenish and raise you.
100,000 suns. Follow their foul tracks.
Arming up. Grab the forge. Not one. Silence. Into the maw of death. Grapnel launcher citizens. If you observe the rites of reverence with half the devotion you wield to change, you would be an exemplar of our chapter. Reciting language is no substitute for killing zealots. And yet, I find the time for both. Ha! If you would like to test how an ancient prolate my heart, my blade is ready anytime. What needs gravity? Into the brain. I'm trying to stop my brain. Swapping out magazine. Smells like fresh munitions. It is dark. Needs a power source.
The tomb servitors may have a replacement.
Finished and ready. Put this mule in place now!
Leave no servitor unserved.
Get this psycho out of my eye! Traitor scum! Throwing frag grenades! Closing the gap!
Simple service without a leader to attack future.
Into the morning right to your worthless god! Closing the gap!
Must be something real.
Hawk available. Fencing stings. My wound is no more. Just dead meat and servants.
Brothers, this servitor has a fusion qualification.
Avenging angel at your disposal. Go there, dig in. Heal your packs, brothers. Decimus reported. Where is the fight? We are angels of death. Ordnance on me.
The system runs with life once again.
Is too changed.
Glory to the alongside. Input request.
Honored machine spirit.
We require passage to consecration seals in place. Breach your seals regularly for the event and return. Authorization necessary. I, Captain Akaran, authorize the reinterment of the honored dead off-world. Authorization confirmed. Captain Akaran.
One needs
Extraction attendants to locate the remains. Authority
Finished and ready.
Faithful foes lie at your embrace, the sound of promised home. Browsing catapult. Nominal burial. No remains to be transferred. Proceeding on. Again, death does a faithful step and find rest. Initializing scan. Subject does not meet required parameters. Restarting search.
Proceeding on.
Only in death is duty yet. Scanning casket now. Rejoice. Canonization period has been exceeded by 11 decades. Proceed with reinterment, Minister. By the machine god's will. Let it be done. This tomb's rest ends. Consecration seals unbound. Now those doors should open. Return to the console.
Swapping out magazine. Reopen tomb at last. I have seen one. wrong to expect a better fight than a sniveling backstabber.
Brother, why is it you do not approach all the options with the same gusto as you engage the enemy?
How is it you can muster the same enthusiasm for command debriefings?
It is imperative we learn from our victory.
I will fight on the battlefield. You can learn from my actions.
Right,
What a
end.
worthless, soulless creature!
Stay close and sharp.
Reap the Emperor's force!
The demon engine of the war. The demon engine seeks to engage us.
You will regret taunting us, demon spawn!
We must brave this gauntlet of balefire, brothers.
Balefire incoming!
Take cover, brothers. Seek anything sturdy.
That's all you got for suckling at us.
Avoid its inferno! It seeks to devastate the area!
Steers, take some. For the Emperor! Balefire incoming! Incendiary attack imminent!
Burns do not slow me! Balefire fills body and spirit!
The Helldrake raise an infernal blast.
Into the fray! Throwing crack grenade!
Avoid its infernal flame! Pyrogenic bombardment incoming!
Sorcerers grappled or just sent. Ensure that iron-clad traitor is lost back.
Expect some heat!
Watch for balefire! Crispy skin is nothing.
What balefire sears body and spirit!
Immolate us! Incendiary attack imminent!
Relish this brief respite.
Blasphemous cur! Finish that boss! I'm off!
Avoid its infernal flames! Take cover! Flames take me, brothers! Avoid its infernal fire!
Emulate us.
This quiet ship will soon pass.
Book available. Into the more of death. Rebel will just set. Finished and ready. Arming up. Brother. Take what you can carry. Punching through their defense. Ensure that Iron Gun traitor has seen his last battle. He shall have every limb of that fire creature. We rip the spear from its feeble hands. I shall be clean with this. Giving them a shrapnel bar. Closing the gap. It rides no more. What deeds grab Finished and ready. Book available. Slay my brothers. You will regret it. Into the morgue. Split the scarab shell. Swapping out magazine. Closing the gap. Right, rebel will just sent. Book available. Was not 1,000. I lost count. Found medical supplies. Fill your packs, brothers. For the Emperor! I am airborne ready. Arming up. Smells like fresh munitions. The Emperor sees. The spearman snaps strength. Right, safe. Churning brain, spoiled by
This sector is profaned by dark energies. Please perform place rites.
guide our hands.
Saint Lankai's chosen relics radiating the same reward.
Finished and ready. Avenging angels.
Reloading.
The stained glass bears a sigil.
Praise be to the Omnissiah. Interact with corresponding sigil to perform cleanse.
Success.
Cleansing rites successful. Your deeds will be immortalized in the archives.
And now we shall bell the hell and destroy the wall. Purge the heretical presence from this sector. Beware, brothers. The Helldrake's wings are as tough as all of it. The Imperial Command demands we break the demon engine, and the Chaos Aberration it protects. No warp-maligned morass of curse, steel, and profane flesh shall survive this day. Locate the illuminated symbols. Success. Saint Lankai has been invoked. It moves to attack. A match. Let us hope the Saint's relic deliver. We align the symbols. Traitor focus now, brothers. Oh, I lament every bomb that never penetrates into the Helldrake's innards. The Helldrake makes war against us. Check the stained glass. That did the trick. Success. Saint Lankai has been invoked. My thanks to Saint Lankai What for hellfire and claws? The Saints' relics will be our arsenal. Even they pray. I'll make them pay. Those windows are black. It's aiding a desperate barrel. Smoking out magazine. Put this muley beast down!
lagi ni.
To attack. What needs grappling? Come on. Show us something. Stims, take some. One for Bellfire and Claws. I see the signs on the windows. Rebel, you're just set. Riot safe. I can see who was the fire. I will react immediately. Unfired. Smite the abomination! It moves to attack! Avenging it! Check the stained glass. Check the stained glass for instruction. One for Bellfire and Claws. Magazine out, magazine in. Leave the sorcerer's corpse alive. It moves to attack. We align the symbiotes. Kill it before it moves away. We align the symbiotes. One for Bellfire and Claws.
Habislah.
Shut them up before they bring more. There will be no way to purify this wretch already. We align the symbol. Incoming counter.